Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year gate numerical based on the spring. This question was asked in gate 2020 in set 2 for 2 marks. The question is based on the spring. Now the question is, a helical spring has spring constant K. Now here for a helical spring they have mentioned the helical spring and spring constant is given K. Then if the wire diameter, spring diameter and the number of coils are all doubled, then the spring constant of new spring becomes. Here there are 4 options. Now my dear students, here they have given that spring constant K. Spring constant is nothing but spring stiffness, and this spring stiffness is nothing but force on the spring divided by spring deformation. And in theory lectures we have derived this formula is equal to g d power 4 divided by 8 capital D cube capital N. This formula we have derived in previous lectures, right? So my dear students, in this K is the spring constant or also called spring stiffness, G is shear modulus, D is diameter of wire. Here D is diameter of wire and capital D is mean coil diameter, that is spring diameter. It is also called spring diameter. N is nothing but number of active turns, that is number of active coils, right? Therefore, now my dear students, here they are mentioning that if nu d, let us say new diameter of wire, that is d dash, becomes equal to 2d, as well as new the spring diameter becomes 2d and new number of active coils becomes 2n, all are doubled, then what will happen to the spring constant? Let us observe this. Therefore, new spring constant K dash will be equal to G into, now here we have to put D dash. Therefore, G D dash power 4. It is a dash. My dear students, it is not 14. It is a dash power 4. Right. Divided by 8 D dash cube. It is not 13. It is a D dash power 3 and N dash, which is nothing but G 2D power 4 divided by 8 2 capital D power 3 into 2n, right? Now my dear students, if I simplify this, I will get here 2 power 4 into G D power 4 divided by here 2 cube into 2, again 2 power 4, 2 power 4 into 8 D cube n. Therefore 2 power 4, 2 power 4 will get cancelled and this K dash will become equal to G D power 4 divided by 8 D cube n, which is nothing but initial K only. Therefore, if here wire diameter, spring diameter and number of active coils are doubled, then spring stiffness or spring constant is unaffected, that is remains same. Therefore, my dear students, for this question option A is the correct choice. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic.